Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia's e-learning class of Moral Science Class 5. So today we are going to do question answer and book work of Chapter 1, A Dignity of the Labor. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Which one of the three noblemen's grant was the most helpful? How? Answer. The third nobleman's grant was the most helpful because he provided farming tools, seeds, and food grains, which motivated them to work and earn their own living. Question number 2. Why were the noblemen surprised to see their friend work with the villagers in the fields? Answer. The nobleman was surprised to see their friend work with the villagers in the fields because a man of their means never work on farms. Question number 3. Which two lessons did the third nobleman teach the villagers and his friends? Answer. The third nobleman taught the villagers and his friends that A. Working hard always ensures food on your plate. B. No work is insignificant. Work done with honesty deserves respect. Number 4. Do you think the villagers could have used the food and gold provided by the two noblemen in a better way? How? Answer. Yes, I think the villagers would have used the food and gold provided by the two noblemen in a better way. They can use the gold coins in buying farming tools and seeds. They can also use that money in digging wells, and they can use the food grains in a better way so that it stayed long. Question number 5. What lesson have you learned from the chapter? How are you going to practice what you have learned from this lesson? Answer. We learned from this chapter that we should work hard. It is secret of success. We shall not be dependent on others, but rather believe on our own hard work and intelligence for a living. We can do hard work in studies and can do any work in our day-to-day life. In this way, we can practice what we have learned from this lesson. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, we have to see whether the statement is true or it is false. So the first one is A. According to the story, any work done with honesty is important. Answer true. B. The second nobleman's grant to the villagers was the greatest because he gave away the food grains he was supposed to sell in the market. False. C. The villagers were foolish to have wasted the money on making merry and luxuries. Answer true. D. The third nobleman's friends didn't help him because they didn't respect the manual work done by farmers. Answer true. E. Hard work of any kind should receive respect. Answer true. Make sentences from the following words: damage, plight, generosity, hard work, gratitude. What you have to do, you have to make sentence with these words and write it down in your copy. It's time for the homework. What you have to do, you have to write all the true and false, answer the question, and make sentence from the following words. You have to write all these things in your copy. Hope you understood all the question answer and book work of this chapter. Thank you.